All right, I'm going to walk through problem 6 here. So I wrote it on the screen. We have 3 times 2 2/3 plus 2 times 4 1/3. So this is a tricky problem because there's a lot of steps. So I'm going to do it here, and you can follow along in your journal or whatever way that you're doing your work. So we're going to start by looking at this first problem, or first side of the problem. And I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to times it by 2, and then I'm going to times it by 2/3. So I'm going to split up that 2 2/3. So 3 times 2 gives me 6, and then 3 times 2/3 I'm going to do, and remember you multiply by the whole number by the top number. So 3 times 2 is 6. Sorry, this is hard to read. And then the 3 stays the same. The denominator stays the same, so that just moves over. So then I have 6, and then I have 6/3. So I'm going to simplify my 6/3 first because I noticed the numerator is bigger so that it can be simplified. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, and I actually have none left over. So that just gives me 2 wholes. So 6/3 is equal to 2 wholes. Then I'm going to add these two together. So I'm going to take 6 plus my 2 wholes from down here, and I have 8. So this first side is worth 8. So I'm going to keep this 8 until later. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to look at this side. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the 2 times the whole number 4 and the 2 times 1/3. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 1/3, like I said before, you're going to multiply that numerator, that top number. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then the 3 stays the same, it just transfers over. So then I'm going to add these together again, just like I did on the other side. So 8 plus 2/3 gives me 8, and 2/3. So just like I did on the other side, I'm going to keep that. And then I notice I am adding those two together. So I'm going to take 8 plus 8 and 2/3, and you just add the whole number. So 8 plus 8 is 16, and you move that fraction over for 16 and 2/3. So here is your answer to number 6 on your Homelink. Let me know if that doesn't help or if you have any more questions.